Hello YouTube people, so this is my Ultratorch UT 100 Sik. I've had it for, I can't remember how many years now, long time. Anyway, so I went to use it the other day and put the gas on. If you can see on the very end here, there's a flame. And that flame shouldn't be there, so there's something wrong. And it's no good because you can't keep your finger on there when you're trying to solder. So what I did was I had a look online, couldn't find any videos at all. Now in this little packet here came these pieces. Whoops. And this. Now these pieces contain the missing catalyst. This little puppy here on the end, just show you that there, that's supposed to go inside the end of the tip. For some reason mine's fallen apart. Perhaps I was playing when I should have been listening. Anyway, ouch, that's a bit warm. So what we're going to do, just going to take that off there and just take that off. I did clean the jet out, by the way, just to see if that was the problem, but it wasn't. Because this is hot and I'm being impatient, I'm just gonna grab that with the tweezers, and then we slide this in there, and then oops, put that back in there, slide, drop that in there like that, so it all comes through. Screw the end in and just let that go tight. Turn on the gas, turn on the button, and as you'll see, this now lights up, all because that little catalyst converter. Wow. Anyway, hope this helps you if you spent a couple of hours looking online, and yeah, leave a tick if you like it. Cheers.